Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Rochelle from Plan with CSRD, and today I am going to plan the week of the 30th of August till the 5th of August, so the past week. And I am using this gorgeous fall kit from Pinkplannershop, which is a Dutch shop, and she is a printable shop as well as a physical shop. But for now, her physical shop I thought was still closed. Here in the Netherlands, fall begins at the 21st of September, but since fall is my favorite season, I decided to start with it already. So I'm using this gorgeous kit with all the beautiful fall colors. So for now, I had already put down all my full boxes and all my washi and headers, and what I did, or as you could see, there were a lot of birthdays this week. I had 4 birthdays this week, so I marked those down with a happy birthday sticker from Grace.Sufficient.Plans, which is also a digital shop owner. And right now I am just putting down all the basics, so my pre-plans, the things that I knew at the beginning of the week that I was going to have to do. So on Monday I put down a quarter box with a Papershire vanilla sticker to mark down that I had wanted to sleep in because Monday is always my day off. And I put down that I was going to have breakfast with my mom and dad, and I also marked that with a vanilla sticker from Papershire. Then going on to Tuesday, I work from Tuesday till Friday. I am a 6th grade teacher, so I marked down that I marked my work hours with a work label from the kit, and then I put down a hard checklist with all the things I had to do for work on Tuesday. And I also had to do something specific. I had to make new Outlook accounts for all these students, and I had to mail them to all the other teachers because I'm also doing everything computer related for them. So I marked that down in a half box with a vanilla sticker from Papershire. Then for my plans on Wednesday, I marked work again with the work label. I put down a small checklist, and I had a meeting, so I marked it down with a notes sticker, also from Papershire. A lot of stickers are from Papershire at this spread, so all the bunny stickers are from Papershire for sure. Then you can also see me going through my work schedule, so that is what you will see me do a lot in this plan with me and also in the other plan with me. For my pre-plans on Thursday, I had another birthday, so I marked that down with the Grace.Sufficient sticker. I marked my work, and I also had 2 meetings this day. So the first one I marked down with a Papershire sticker in a quarter box, and the next one, or the second meeting, I just marked it down with the same vanilla sticker, the same vanilla note sticker. That day was a really busy day. I also had a opening of the school year party. We always do that, and we also have a party in January always for the new year at our work. So I marked that down with a Sandia.designs girl sticker, which it's a really fun sticker because you can customize it however you would like, as you can see with my emojis in my OneDrive folder. So that's very, very fun to do, and a very nice add-on with the girl stickers. Going on to Friday, I had another birthday, and once again I marked down all my work hours. And then on Saturday, I knew that the Formula 1 race was starting again after last week's disaster, if you have watched. And if you haven't, last week they couldn't drive because it was raining so hard. So I was very excited to finally mark down that we could watch this week's race. So I marked it down with a car sticker from Sandia.Designs. Then I also marked down in a quarter box or label sticker that I had to drop off my mom and dad at the airport because they were going to Spain for 3 days. So of course the paper shy vanilla sticker and the bear sticker, and then the suitcase sticker is from Sandia.Designs. And then on Sunday I had the birthday of a colleague, so I marked it down again with Grace.Sufficient.Plans, and I marked down the Formula Race one again, which is held here in the Netherlands, or which was held here in the Netherlands at Zandvoort, so I marked it down with the Sandia.Design car sticker. Then, going back to Monday, after my pre-plans, I marked down that I watched Resort to Love, which is a film from this year that arrived on Netflix. I think it was a Netflix original movie. It was a very cute movie though, I really enjoyed it. And I marked it down with a bear sticker or a Olivia sticker from Grace.Sufficient.Plans. Then I had to tidy up my bedroom, so I marked it down with a flat lay sticker from Paper Shire. And I ordered a new keyboard for my iPad, so I marked it down with a Sandia.Designs girl sticker. I also went to pick up some boba tea that day with my parents, so I put down a label sticker and I marked it down with a coffee sticker, but for me it doesn't really matter that much, from Sandia.Designs. So I marked down that I picked up the boba milk tea, and I also bought a new mouse for my new iPad. So I marked that with a icon sticker again from Sandia.Designs. And then lastly that day I had to wash, dry and style my hair, so I just marked it down with the vanilla sticker. Then on Tuesday I was storing all my kit stickers in my OneDrive files because for me it's easy access to all my stickers. Like you can see right now, it's just very easy to use them and just go through them while seeing my spread. So I stored them, or I organized them in my OneDrive files. And then with a sticker from Sandia.Designs, I marked down that I wanted to plan this day and tomorrow. Then on the Tuesdays I have pregnancy yoga because this week I was 24 weeks pregnant. But right now you see me marking that it is from 8 p.m. till 9:30 p.m. But I cancelled it because I wasn't feeling too great. So I think you will be seeing that later in this spread. And then lastly, I marked down with a vanilla sticker and a flag sticker from the kit that I had a Plan With Me binge on YouTube. And then the YouTube sticker and the what do you call it, like scribble sticker is from Grace.Sufficient.Plans. Ah yes, here you can see that I had cancelled it. Going on to Wednesday, I changed it because I had to do a couple of other stuff, and then I wanted to mark down that I had to call my nurse to make an appointment because I really wasn't feeling that great and I was in a lot of stomach pain, so I didn't know what was happening. So I marked that down with a nurse sticker from Paper Shire and I put it on a flag. And then using that Grace.Sufficient.Plans scribble sticker again. Then I also had to schedule an appointment at the hospital for a checkup. So I marked it down with another flag sticker and a vanilla sticker. And on that day when I came home, my parents were watching Downton Abbey, which is a series on Netflix. And I wasn't really interested in watching it before, but I just had nothing to do, so I sat down, watched it with them, and I really like it. So I ended up spending almost the whole night watching Downton Abbey, and right now, as you can see, I had put down that I wanted to start on Las Chicas del Cable, but I will change that later on because I, in fact, watched Downton Abbey with my parents. And of course, I wanted to post my Instagram spreads, and I planned in my errand content, so I marked it down with the Sandia.Designs sticker. And the phone sticker is from the kit itself. Now I marked down on Wednesday that I wanted to post my Instagram spreads just because I'm used to hump day, that we always post our half of the week stickers, but I am seeing that, or I am noticing that I really like to just post every day, because I have two planners. I have my digital planner and my physical planner, and I really like to show them just every day. I post a picture on Instagram. But let me know what you think about that, because I sometimes worry that people are getting tired of seeing those spreads every day. So yeah, just let me know down in the comments what you think about that. Then on Thursday I just had to go to the ATM to withdraw cash, so I marked that with a flag sticker and the Sandia.Designs girl. And then lastly I put down a label from the sticker kit and a laptop sticker from Sandia.Designs to mark down that I wanted to print and cut some stickers with my silhouette. Then on Friday I marked down that I had a meeting with a colleague on 3 p.m. So I marked the laptop sticker is from Papershire, and then of course the scribble sticker is from Grace.Sufficient.Plans. Then we went out for dinner for Jordi's birthday, and Jordi is the boyfriend of my younger sister. So we went out for dinner and I wanted to mark that in a half box with a Papershire sticker again. Then after that I wanted to plan out the basics for next week, as I most of the time I already know a bunch of things that I need or want to do the following week, so I already filmed that, and that's what I marked down with a sticker, an iPad sticker from Grace.Sufficient.Plans. I just didn't like the color, the green color with this kit, so I colored it in a brownish color or nude color. And then we watched The Voice Senior, so I marked it down with the Olivia sticker from Grace.Sufficient.Plans as well, and a flag sticker. Going on to Saturday, I had a facial treatment, so I wanted to mark that down with a vanilla spa sticker or skincare sticker, and I did that with a flag sticker again. And I wanted to bring my iPad to the Apple store, but spoiler alert, I was really lazy after the race, and a friend of mine was coming over, so I didn't actually go. But I am going today, and today is Monday the 6th, so today I am bringing my iPad to the Apple store. Then after the Formula 1 race, I first now marked down a couple of things that I wanted to get done, like my laundry, and I wanted to order takeout, but that will change later on again, because I invited Rizky, my friend, to come over because it was his birthday on Friday, and as my parents were gone and my husband and sister and I were alone, we thought, well, why not invite him? So later on that will change to another sticker. And in the evening I did start on Las Chicas del Cable, and I loved it already. So I'm very excited what the episodes will bring me. Then on Sunday we had brunch at Joris, which is my husband, so at his parents, to celebrate Eben, his birthday. And Eben is the boyfriend of Joris' sister. And I marked it down in a half box with a Olivia sticker from Grace.Sufficient.Plans. And then my best friend Dami came over to plan for next week, because I have really introduced her to the digital planning, so I really wanted to plan with her. So I marked that down in a half box with a Papershire sticker. Then I needed to tidy up the house, because today, actually Monday in the evening, my parents are coming home, so I really wanted it to be very clean. And I marked that down with the Olivia sticker from Grace.Sufficient.Plans, and then again using that same Olivia sticker, or not a sticker, but that Olivia sticker from Grace.Sufficient.Plans. I marked down that I wanted to plan out the basics again for next week, digital and physical as well. So right now I'm just showing you the full spread. I hope you enjoyed my plan with me. If you did, please like and subscribe, and of course next week I will be here with another plan with me. Until then, bye!